Hi, I'm Dr. Yuval Bibi. I'm a board-certified dermatologist, and in this video I wanted to cover a few hacks, a few tricks up your sleeve to help you up your rosacea game and help you avoid those flares and maintain your rosacea in remission. Rosacea is a very common inflammatory condition that affects the face, but sometimes extends to the neck and the chest. The main salient feature of rosacea is sensitive skin. Rosacea is a sensitive skin condition, and that means that rosacea skin is very whimsical. It's likely to get irritated on a dime or due to various triggers that can occur in the external environment of the patient, and that can set you off to getting flare-ups or exacerbations of your condition with reddening of the affected areas, with increased pimples, and with other features of rosacea that create a very uncomfortable existence for many, many people who are suffering with rosacea. So let's look at a few hacks that'll make you stand out from the rest of the crowd and get your rosacea under control. The first hack is stop cleansing your skin. Now, a lot of people hearing this bit of advice take a pause and ask, what the hell are you talking about? What many don't realize is that rosacea is not a hygiene issue. Rosacea is a sensitive skin issue. This means that the skin barrier, the very superficial layers of the skin that are in charge of keeping the skin together, maintaining its function, and distinguishing it from the environment, preventing external factors from seeping into the skin and inflaming the skin, or otherwise adversely affecting the skin. Those are compromised in rosacea. Categorically, they're not doing well. The skin barrier is not doing well. And by cleansing the skin, meaning using hot water, using detergents on the skin, whether it's soaps, cleansers, I don't care how gentle, how organic, how natural those cleansers are, they're all doing the same thing, which is abrading the skin chemically, getting rid of the oils and other ingredients of the skin barrier that are keeping the poor skin barrier together when you're suffering from rosacea, in which case those ingredients are holding on to dear life to the skin and are barely holding on. All those things are taking away from your skin barrier when you have rosacea, or, by the way, when you have normal skin. But when you have rosacea, it's all the more the case that your skin barrier is deficient. It's not doing well. And the more you cleanse your skin, meaning the more you get rid of those ingredients with the hot water, with the detergents, and, oh, forgot to mention, the physical abrasives, you are going to undermine your skin barrier, and you're going to make it more likely for your skin to get irritated, to get exacerbated, and for your rosacea to flare up and go into hyperdrive. So avoid cleansing the skin in the traditional way and stick to lukewarm water to wash your face, setting you up to succeed. The second hack is cut out ridiculous, unnecessary skincare products. Now, many people don't understand that the vast majority, and I do mean upwards of 99% of skincare products, are completely nonsensical. They are unnecessary, and that means that if they're unnecessary, they are at least a waste of time and money in application. But what most people don't realize is that many of these products are not just neutral. They're not harmless. Those products can actually create a level of sensitivity and irritation on the skin. So avoid the following. Avoid the lotions, avoid the creams, avoid the serums, avoid the toners, avoid the face creams, avoid the eye creams, avoid the night creams and the day creams. Avoid anything that you're not sure that is actually giving your skin barrier direct and clear value, and that means the vast majority of your skincare. Do away with these products. Save yourself the money and the busy work. Save yourself the experiential theater of applying skincare products to your face, and actually give your skin a break from all these ridiculous products and set yourself up to succeed. The third hack is the magic of slugging. So how do you repair a faulty skin barrier, which is the case categorically in rosacea? Well, the secret is that you can't really repair it yourself. You have to allow it to repair itself. The skin knows exactly what ingredients it needs. It is plenty capable of producing those ingredients, but you need to let it do its work in peace. How do you do that? Well, slugging is a very effective technique of accomplishing that protection that the skin needs to do its work. How do you slug? Slugging is a slang term for heavy-handed application of an occlusive moisturizer, such as petroleum jelly, or Butter Oasis Moisturizing Balm, our newest shea butter, cocoa butter, and argan oil vegan moisturizer. And that's an exceptional moisturizer to use instead of Vaseline or petroleum jelly on the face. The way you use this product is you lay on a very thick, heavy-handed amount of the product covering the entire face right before bedtime. Put a towel on your pillowcase so you don't stain your pillowcase or other beddings, and let the magic happen. What happens when you slug the face? Well, you set a very thick layer of an occlusive compound on the face, and that gives you a night-long protection for the skin to recover unabraded and undisturbed by the external elements as the layer of the oily moisturizer thins down overnight, and then you wake up in the morning with your skin having been able to recover and start recreating its skin barrier elements and putting things back together again, so you can wake up with a nice, fresh, plump, and soft skin that's properly moisturized and properly working, which is an indication of a repaired skin barrier. One of my favorite cases that I've seen in clinic over the past year was a 70-year-old man who's never been able to control his rosacea, showing up to my clinic and on my advice, stopping all the cleansing, which I advised in the first hack, then laying off the very few skincare products that he was using on the face and starting to slug. This gentleman, which had never controlled his rosacea in his entire life over decades, finally came to clinic after a few weeks of trying what I told him to try, finally breathing a sigh of relief with ultimately a remission in his rosacea, with the occasional pimple every now and again, but certainly not the crops of pimples that this gentleman used to suffer from, with the intense blushing and with the general sensitivity of the skin, which was absolutely unbearable for him. This gentleman got his gift and got to control his rosacea. What are you going to do? Let me know in the comments section what you think of the hacks and how are you putting them to good use. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to share and like this video. For more information about great skincare and how to cost effectively take care of your skin, pick up my book, 6 Skin, Skincare Made Simple, on Amazon.com. Now available in audio. Thanks for watching. God bless.